Hello. You are on the Lingolands channel. Today, you will learn about WH questions. WH questions are questions that start with words like who, what, where, when, why, and how. These questions ask for specific information. 1. Who asks about people? Who is your teacher? Who is that man? 2. What asks about things or actions? What is this? What are you doing? 3. Where asks about places? Where do you live? Where is the book? 4. When asks about time? When is your birthday? When do you go to school? 5. Why asks about reasons? Why are you happy? Why is she crying? 6. How asks about manner, condition, or quality. How are you? How do you make a sandwich? Practice questions. Who is your best friend? What is your favorite color? When do you study English? Why do you like cats? Thank you for your attention. Subscribe to the Lingolands channel. See you soon.